Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the DTC P2238, which refers to a low voltage issue originating from the AF sensor, specifically sensor 1. The AF sensor, or air-fuel sensor, is critical in measuring the air-fuel ratio in the internal combustion engine. It sends precise voltage signals to the powertrain control module, PCM, based on the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Sensor 1 is typically located in the exhaust manifold or close to the engine's cylinder head, allowing it to accurately assess the mixture before it enters the catalytic converter. When this sensor detects an issue, like low voltage, it flags the DTC P2238. This guides technicians in pinpointing faults related to the air-fuel mixture, which is vital for optimal engine performance and emissions control. Therefore, accurate diagnosis is essential for effective repair and maintenance to maintain emission standards and engine efficiency. The DTC P2238 signifies that there is an issue with the AF sensor, primarily sensor 1, which is responsible for monitoring the air-fuel mixture. When the DTC is flagged, it indicates that the AF sensor is experiencing low voltage in its AFS plus circuit, potentially leading to inaccurate air-fuel mixture readings. The role of this sensor is pivotal, as it plays a significant role in how effectively the engine operates, influencing fuel efficiency and emissions. The AF sensor's location is typically found in the exhaust stream, strategically placed for optimal readings and quick results. If this sensor misfunctions, it may not relay correct data to the PCM, resulting in performance issues. The PCM relies on the data from this sensor to adjust fuel injection and maintain an efficient combustion process. When diagnosing DTC P2238, several potential causes should be considered. Firstly, a shorted wire in the AFS plus circuit could lead to low voltage readings, affecting the functionality of the AF sensor. It's essential to inspect the wire carefully, as any chafing or improper connections can lead to intermittent faults. Another common issue is poor connections or loose terminals, particularly at the AF sensor and PCM. The connectors should be clean and free from corrosion, as this can impede electrical flow and contribute to DTC P2238. Moreover, issues internal to the PCM can also manifest low voltage situations, making comprehensive testing necessary to determine whether the PCM itself is faulty or if the issue lies elsewhere. Proper identification of these causes is crucial for an effective repair process. The symptoms associated with DTC P2238 can significantly impact vehicle performance. If the AF sensor is malfunctioning, you may notice poor engine performance, such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or decreased fuel efficiency. In addition, increased emissions can occur due to incorrect air-fuel mixtures that fail to combust properly, leading to potentially harmful pollutants entering the atmosphere. Another prevalent symptom is illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as an indicator that the vehicle's engine control system has detected an engine issue. Understanding these symptoms is essential for early diagnosis and rectification, helping to avoid further complications down the road. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P2238 involves a thorough verification of the problem. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring that all systems are powered for diagnostic checks. Once in the on position, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is a crucial tool for Honda vehicles that allows for real-time data retrieval and fault code clearing. After clearing, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again with the HDS. If DTC P2238 persists, It indicates that the problem is confirmed and needs further investigation, marking a duplication of the failure. However, if the DTC is not indicated, an intermittent failure might exist, suggesting that it is essential to inspect for any poor connections or loose terminals at both the AF sensor and the PCM. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to identifying any shorted wires, particularly in the AFS plus line. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is in off or lock mode before proceeding. Utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line and wait for more than a minute, which prepares the system for accurate testing. Next, disconnect the PCM connector C, which has 51 pins, and the AFS sensor, sensor 1, 4P connector, to access their internal wiring directly. Continuity tests will then be conducted between specified test points. Testing the continuity between PCM connector C, pin number 48, and body ground. If there is continuity, it confirms there is a short in the AFS plus wire between the PCM and AFS sensor, necessitating a repair. If no continuity is found, the wire is working properly, and the diagnosis should progress to step 3. The third step involves conducting a check on the PCM's internal circuits. Reconnect the PCM connector C and exit the SCS mode with the HDS to restore normal operation. Once this is done, turn the vehicle to the on mode again to facilitate the voltage measurements necessary for diagnosing the condition of the AF circuit. With the AF sensor, sensor 1, 4P connector disconnected, measure the voltage between specific test points. Point 1 at the AF sensor connector terminal number 2, and point 2 at body ground. If the measured voltage is about 0.2 volts or less, further action is required to address any potential failure, either through reviewing authorized service information for DTCs or by substituting with a known good PCM. Conversely, if the voltage is above this threshold, the PCM is functioning correctly, and attention should turn towards replacing the AF sensor, sensor 1. The final repair verification step is essential after completing all necessary repairs concerning DTC P2238. Begin by rechecking for any DTCs with the HDS to ensure the repair was successful. After confirming that DTC P2238 doesn't appear, a test drive of the vehicle is warranted to observe if engine performance improves and if the check engine light remains off. During the test drive, specifically monitor conditions that previously triggered the DTC for any recurrences, particularly if the vehicle was under load or at various RPMs. The objective is to ensure that proper AF sensor operation is restored and that the vehicle runs smoothly across different driving conditions. This step solidifies the resolution of the issue, confirming that all system functionalities align with manufacturer specifications. Implementing preventive maintenance can aid in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2238. Regularly inspect electrical connectors, especially those linked to the AF sensor and PCM, to ensure no corrosion or wear that could lead to electrical failures. Keeping connectors clean and free from moisture is critical, as exposure to water can damage internal components and lead to shorts or poor conductivity. Additionally, ensure all wiring is intact without fraying or chafing, as these issues can lead to intermittent faults and low voltage readings. Establish a maintenance schedule that includes periodic checks of the vehicle's electrical systems to facilitate early detection of potential issues. Adopting these preventive measures helps sustain optimal engine management and overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, diagnosing and addressing DTC P2238 efficiently revolves around a systematic approach. Accurate diagnostics are pivotal to identify the root cause of low voltage observed in the AF sensor circuit. Whether through testing wires for shorts, checking PCM functionality, or inspecting sensor performance, each step plays a crucial role in confirming the integrity of the system. Repairing identified faults will mitigate ongoing performance issues, effectively reducing emissions and maintaining fuel efficiency. Furthermore, performing regular maintenance checks not only sustains optimal vehicle function, but also prevents the recurrence of similar DTCs in the future. By understanding the importance of these processes, technicians can ensure lasting reliability and performance from Honda CR-V vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.